Alright, here we go. Got another one for y'all. It's another power test. Again, this is the 7.62 by 3.9 in Hornady Black. We're at about 50 yards. That's the got the flower, then the 1/2-inch board, water jug, and then we got the boards behind it. So we're going to see what kind of punch result we got on those 1/4-inch boards after the water jug. So stick around for that one. It is interesting, it hit low on the board, but on the flower bag it was about 2-3 inches up higher, so it dug down. So let's see if we can find the bullet and we'll take it back to the table. Alright, here we go. Hornady Black 7.62 by 3.9 power test. Got the flower, then hitting the board, going through the water jug, going. We do have a going veer down. You see how the bullet hit up here and it went down towards the bottom by the time it made it out that side. So let's see what we got. The bullet basically vaporized. I'll show you all here in a second. Going rim to rim. 0.71. .3. Going rim to rim. 0.42. Not too bad on that part. So we're going to kick that to the side. Let's just see what kind of damage we got going on here. Corn sack shank. Got the first board. Basically almost went through it. Like I said, it's getting a B for effort. Actually, that's more like a C. We do got a indention on this one here, so not too bad. And after that, destruction stopped. So we got a split on the second board, indention on the second board, and a solid thump on the first board. And when I say vaporized, that's what's left. Everything else is powder. Making cake. There you go. 7.62 by 3.9.